Hello dear learners, how are you? Test series 4, next part. I will start CBSE class 12 computer science term 1. Okay, so we are starting today next part of this set number 4. Let me check this is set number 4 or not. Earlier we study about this. So set number 4 is here. Okay, section B. So now we start question number 26. Okay. What will be output of the following code? Create a dictionary. This is the key and this is the value. L1 is the variable and create a list of dictionary. Now print L1. So what will be the answer of this one? So this is the key. So key will be changed as a list. Value doesn't enter on this. Okay. So answer is that B. Now question number 27. The text file tough.txt consists of the following string. This is the string. When the going gets throw the throw get going. So open a file and data read, list of data split, print length of the list. So data split जो होगा वो कितने टर्म्स में होगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So length will be 9. Answer is the B. Now question number 28. Identify the output of the following Python statement. Create a tuple with multiple. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So print new tuple 4. So 4 is here. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4 of 1. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 of 1. So 4 of 1 is answer 0 and 1. Now C. Okay. Question number 29. Identify the output of the following Python statement. So now this is the x equals to 1 while x less than 10. If x mod 2 equal to 0 ho, then print x and n delimiter. So what will be output over here? Question number 29. So each and time x mod 2 equal to 0. So if you count that one it will be reply 0 and then plus 1. So once we include the value, then give the output. So answer is that question number 29, 2, 4, 6 and 8 D. Now question number 30. Identify the output of the following Python statement. S is equals to 2, 4 n is range. Start 2, stop 10 and step 3. So S pre-increment equal to n plus 1. Now print is. So what is the answer of this value? So you know that S will be start 2. So n if we are taking start 2 in range, yes. Now 3 step over here gap. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5. So next S will be 5. Now 5. So moving over here again and again whenever we are not getting output till. So answer is that C 20. Now question number 31. Identify the output of the following Python statement. Numlist dot append should be last. Numlist dot extend should be last but as a multiple list item. And numlist insert 219. So print numlist minus 4. So first time it will print 2 and 19, then 15, 17, then 30, 40, 50. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. so we are going to reverse. So what is the answer of this one? Okay, so first time it will be append, insert, then extend, sorry, first time insert, then extend, and then attend. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we are going to create a negative portion, -1 -2 -3 and -4. So answer is that 40. Now question number 32, Nidesh wants to write a list, record to a binary file student record.bin. So import pickle, create a record of 4 students, open a file student bin, mode write plus binary as a b file. So what should be code over here? Pickle. So you know that once we call, when we open a site, so we cannot load, we have to use dump. So answer is that question number 32 B, dump record and b file. Now question number 33 over here, this is the text file. You can see that 4 times executed. What will be missing code for line 1? So we have to find of this JK Rowling books book records dot. So the output when the function get books JK Rowling is executed is 4. So what will be the missing code of line 1? So this is the function get book author, count books equals to 0, create an object, open a file, read and binary, apply the exception try, while true, result pickle dot load file object for row in a result if row of 1 double equal to author. So count book plus equals to 1. Okay, so now else. So what will be here to output in line 1? It is asking. So what is the output of this one? So question number 33, output is over here B. We have to write continue. Now question number 34. What will be the output of the following Python code? Define a function make list. List is empty list. Assign the for loop for I in list 1, and if I mod 3 not equal to 0, then list 2 append. That means if I mod 3 not equal to 0, condition is true, then list 2 will be append as a I. Okay, now return max list of 2. So maximum max list 19 29 81 63 and 42. So this is the code here. So what will be the output of this one? So if mode not equal to 0, so 19 not equal to 0, so 3 if we trying to 6, this is the mode not equal to 0 when we adding 19. Okay, so first one we are adding over here 19. So mode not equal to 0 will be there. Okay, now we are adding 29. So mode not equal to 0 again in here 29. Okay, and 81 mode will be 0, 63 mode will be 0, and 42 mode will be 0. So question number 34 is here, and what is the output? So according to conditions max list. Okay, so max list will be, so both are the 2 condition, only 2 are 19 and 29 in the this condition will not fulfill. So maximum is 29. So answer is that 29. Now question number 35. Okay, evaluate the following expression and identify the correct answer. So 7 minus 2 plus 3 square 2 plus 68 minus 2 and floor division by 10. So what will be output of this code? So once you solve this output, and you will get the answer. So B is the right answer, 20. Now question number 36. What will be the output of following code? Define a function new absolute x1 and y is equals to 1. If y greater than 1, return x square 2, and else return minus x square 2. So if y greater than 1, then return square value positive sense, and if y greater than 1 is false, then return negative value of the square root. So print absolute y10 and new absolute. So what will be the output over here in this question? Okay, so one is the C answer and minus 10. Okay, now question number 37. This is the code value equals to 50. Define a function. This is the global variable, x is the value, and if mode x mod 5 double equals to 0, so value should be increment before x to 8, else value should be pre-decrement of this. If condition is not true, then go to the else part. If condition is true, then go to the this value, otherwise go to the else part, and after that print value end of the error. Otherwise once code is over, then print function value plus 10 and this. Now check value 35, print well. So 5 7 ja 35, so mod equal be 0 first time. Okay, so mod equal to 0, so answer 35, so plus 1, x value is that 35 and value we are having 50. So yeah, you can see that 50 and plus 10, so first time value will be printed 60, and then again 50 plus 35 85, and now @ 85. So it will be in C answer will be here. Now question number 38. What will be the output of the following code? Import random dog breed, bulldog, Chihuahua, Poodle, Pug, Husky and Labrador. So lower random dot red integer 1 to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now higher random dot red integer 2 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 to 4 and 2 to 5. So 4 dogs in range lower and higher. Now print dog breed dogs and with an delimiter. So answer is that 38. So first one 1 to 4 and second 2 to 5. So what will be output? Now answer is it B, because Chihuahua, Poodle, Pug and Husky. Labrador will not access and Bulldog will not access because our value is 1 to 4 and 2 to 5. Okay, so that is the answer of B. Now question number 39. What is the output of code snipped? Create a just define a function x and limit, create a loop, arrange index in range of limit if x of index mode 2 equal to 0 ho. That means x index of float region 2, and another question, if x index mod of 3 double equals to 0, then yeah. If mod 5, then float region 5. So suppose first one value is about 13, so we calculate 2 13 to, so mod not 0, mod not 0, not 0. So 13 at the list, first condition 13 all goes to wrong. Okay, so what will be the output? Item will be there, so 13 will be print over here. First one 13 will be print over here, यानी 13 पहले print होगा यहाँ पे. Okay, now if we go to 26, 2 mod 30, yes 0, so 26 divided by 2, condition true, 13. Once again 13 will be print. Now if we talk about 1, so mod 2 double equals to 0, yes, either it will be a 0, so 1 will be print over here, and again value is our 30, so 30 will be 0, so and 3 for 30 and 5 6 30, everyone will be 0, so 1 will be their answer in the value of item list. Okay, so now answer is that question number 39 C, 13 13 1 1 3 and 36 with hash delimiter. Now question number 40, this is the text file, and create a file of read mode counter 0, create a list f.read split for word in a list. If len word should be greater than and word of 1 in a and a, so counter plus 1 equals 2, print counter and file dot close. So you have to find first small a and a capital A, then we'll decide the output. Okay, so now this is the a 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So a is there in 10th. A if greater than word and word of 1 in list A, then count, it will be R. So first 10. Okay, so now 10 will be split, okay, in this code. So how many lines? 1 2 3 4 5. So each line calculate 1a. Okay, so now answer is that C. Okay, now question number 41. What will be output of the following code? Create a function or create a string, passport, alphabet and anything. New string empty for letter in org string, and if letter is digit, then new string plus star. If letter is digit, अगर letter digit है तो then new string, then if letter not is this one, new string letter is upper, now else new string letter dot lower, print new string. So 41 answer is that C. Okay, so according to is digit and upper and lower, function will perform of this value. Where is digit, print the star. Everywhere we are having digit, it should be printed a star symbol. So answer is that C. So now thank you. Next part tomorrow will be here. Thank you. Have a nice day, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.